Okay. Hi, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. I am going to be cooking us a nice Italian treat. If you're a fan of Olive Garden soups, this one is very close to that recipe. I actually prefer this one. It's called the pasta fagioli, or pasta fagioli. Not sure how you pronounce it, but it's what I'm going to make. Here's the recipe on the back if you want to screenshot it. I'll also put the recipe down in the description. Now, I made a couple adjustments to it, and I'll tell you those adjustments as we go along. So, I also do set in place or mise en place. So we got a tomato, a piece of sauce, or spaghetti sauce, onions, your spices, carrots, celery, your tomatoes, kidney beans. I go with 1 cup of the pasta, get a half cup, and a ground beef. That's it. Now, a little pro tip for y'all. Something that a lot of people don't do that they should. Pre-cook your onions. And make for better distribution of the flavor. And I'm not a big fan of crunchy onions in my food. And honestly, if you know someone that is really against onions, like I do, if you chop them up really fine and pre-cook them, alright, sorry. I'm gonna let that cook a bit. There's a lot of boiling. Ever so slightly. And because I'm a little impatient, actually, I'm a lot impatient. Just gonna put the ground beef in there a while. You'll still cook the onions up while I'm finished. I don't know if I'll keep. For the body from the food, as well as taking the nutrients and things of the Bible for your soul. And that might be why when I was in school, I always did better with my homework when I was having a snack. You know, maybe it's something beyond all that. Alright, I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Now it's all getting cooked up. The onions look really good. The ground beef is getting brown. Ground beef good. I know a lot of people have that thought that we should drain out all the grease from the meat. Next, you don't want to have all the grease, but you don't want to drain everything out because your flavor is there. That's what. Yeah, I had a closer look. See? Nice and crumbly, nice and brown, meld into the rest of the food. Now we get that. So here we put the tomatoes in. The noodles are about done. So I'm going to turn my timer off now. Put carrots and celery in here. Stir. So here's a little tip about this. So you set it here to the sink. And I'm gonna just put cold water in there. So start cooking. And I did go and make this way early, not making it out. That was too early. Alright, so now I've moved the ground beef, carrot and celery mixture into this pot that had the noodles in, and I'm going to go through the steps of adding them to this pot. So I'll put the kidney beans in. Stir that up. I put it on medium high, get a nice boil going. The next part to do is putting the rest of the ingredients. I go with an extra cup of the beef broth, mainly because I want it more soupy, and it's gonna sit here for a while on low. After it's gonna simmer for 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it down and let it just get heated up. Because we're going to eat this for dinner and it's only 3:30. Have to turn it up a little bit more. Put the noodles in. Oh, the spices, the pepper, oregano, and parsley. Put that up in there. Yeah. I know it says to wait to put spaghetti sauce in. I don't do that. I do that now. So it's 45 minutes. And we have finished product. Still 45 minutes later. Tastes good, looks good. Carrots still need to be cooked a little bit more. Could kind of a little smaller. But we're gonna let this sit here on low. Let it simmer for a little while. Because dinner's not quite time yet. Put the lid back on. Get nice and warm. Thank you for watching my channel. And hopefully you try this recipe. If you try it and you like it or don't like it, be sure to comment below. And if there's anything you'd like to see me cook, comment that too. Be sure to like and subscribe. And see you next time.